What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel right here on Vernon's Closet YouTube. I'm so excited because today I'm opening and unboxing my very first StockX pair of shoes. They've been sent to StockX, they've been verified, so hopefully we'll find out if they really were verified. I've done some research and I hear StockX is pretty good, so I'm here to unbox them and to also give you guys a glimpse of what it's like getting a pair of shoes from StockX, just so you guys can see before you buy for yourself what it's like buying something off of StockX. I want to start getting more into buying Forces. I bought a pair of Forces. These are a pair of Airforce Ones. So I'm really excited about it. I literally have only owned maybe like one or two pair of Airforce Ones. So this is the start of my collection. My favorite shoes are high tops. I don't know what it is about high tops. High tops, anything. The aesthetic of them just does something for me. I really do like high top shoes, and especially high top Air Force Ones, okay? So let's get right into it. I'm so excited. Let's open her up. All right, we got some bow wrap here, and we got the Air Force One box. That's exciting. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, let's move it out the way. All right, here it is, guys. Here is the Air Force One box. The box is a tad bit beat up a bit, but I can handle it. It's cool. There's the tag. So far it looks legit. Oh wow, the retail value of these is $210. Are you sure? Interesting. So it's a size 12. I don't know what it is, but a size 12 is so hard to find. Like, I just don't get it. Okay, you guys ready? Let's open her up. Okay, here we go. That's my receipt from StockX. And what does this say? Access the now. Welcome thingy. StockX, always verified, authentic since 2016. So I got this, a little card from StockX, and then I got my receipt. All right, here we go. Here's the big reveal. Wow, look at that. That is a big shoe. I did not realize it would be this thick. That's amazing. Look at that, guys. So it turns out the Air is not backwards. It's right. This shoe is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels amazing in my hand. So here is the verified tag that StockX guarantees. And the Air is legible, it's not backwards. Oh my gosh, this shoe is so beautiful. It smells amazing too. Okay, it looks new, it feels new, it doesn't look used. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the other shoe. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. I think it's heavy because there's a thingy inside the shoe. I think that's why it's heavy. Let's go ahead and put them together and see what they look like. What do you guys think? You think they're real? And I'm gonna send these through another verification with the app Check. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, but I heard of it like literally like a day or two ago. It's called Check. You basically take pictures of your shoes, and you have real people that are authenticators that they will authenticate the shoe for you, and you pay like a small like fee or something like that, like $3, $5, something like that. But what really drew me to these shoes is this right here. This really drew me. Oh my gosh, like this, like I just fell in love as soon as I saw this strap. because I've got another pair of Forces and they have this strap, but it's like a plain colored strap. It doesn't say Air Force One on it or anything like that. It just adds something a little more special. I'm not like an avid collector, so for those of you sneakerheads out there who own lots of these shoes, it's probably nothing special to you. They're special to me. I'm really excited about them. You know, it's really weird. I'm not too crazy about red usually, but it looks really good with black with it. It really does. It looks really good. And I got a great deal on these too. I only paid like $111 plus tax, plus the verification fee and the shipping. But, you know, base price, I got a really good deal on these. And then on the box it said the retail was like 200 and something, so I think I got a really good deal, and I'm excited to wear these. I'm excited to like show these off. I don't know, like I trust that they're real, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I still kind of want to just like do my own little comparison just for the heck of it, you know? Everything looks pretty consistent. Nothing really looks out of pocket or weird or odd. You know, usually a dead giveaway is like the box is what I hear, but I wouldn't know what to look for in a box. But the shoes, that's an obvious thing, because as soon as you see something that looks a little off or a little weird or inconsistent, like, you know something's not right, you know what I mean? So everything for the most part looks really great. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, my very first StockX shoes. Oh my gosh, this makes me excited to really go all in with StockX, because I really wanted to buy like at least 2 more pair, but I was like, let me buy my first pair first and see how the experience is, see how they shipped in a timely fashion. And they shipped pretty fast too, you guys. I ordered these on, let's see, does it tell me what day I ordered these on? I think they came, okay, I ordered them on August 23rd. And they got here on September 2nd, okay? They got to me on September 2nd. They first send them off to StockX so they can verify it, and then StockX ships them to you. So it goes from the seller to StockX, and to StockX to the buyer. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my Air Force Ones. I hope you like them. And please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and check out my website at vernonscloset.bigcartel.com, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace.